It's so cool. I can now carry this Echo Dot wherever I want and listen to music wherever I go. So now let's go to the bathroom and let's see if we want, for example, to listen to music in the bath. We can just carry our Echo Dot with the battery base. It's so easy because I can now increase the volume. Echo Dot consumes a lot of power. It requires 12 volts voltage at 1.25 amps, which is equivalent to 15 watts. It consumes a lot of power even when it is on standby mode, unlike any other Bluetooth speaker. This is because Echo Dot needs to be alert all the time so that it could respond when it is called. That is why it comes with an adapter and not a battery. Luckily, there is an alternative. So, in this video, I will show you how you could use Echo Dot without being plugged with the help of a battery base. In this way, you could carry Echo Dot anywhere you want. Just make sure it is connected to the internet. A quick snapshot of the information on the box. Time to unbox it. Things inside the box: we got two wipes, one for cleaning and the other for drying, and we got the battery base with its magnetic plate, and finally we got the setup guide, which you can pause this video and read it in your own time. It weighs only 167 grams. Some more information on the back of the battery base. Time to install the battery base. First, we need to take out the wet wipe and properly clean the bottom of the Echo Dot. Now get the dry wipe out and properly dry the same place. After we have cleaned and dried the bottom of our Echo Dot, now is the time to stick the magnetic plate. Peel off the sheet and then stick it to the bottom right at the center of the Echo Dot. Move the plug of the battery base a bit away, and we need to make sure the holes of the Echo Dot and the battery base match. So align them the way I'm showing in here, and because of the magnetic plate, it will stick well. You can adjust it a bit to the left or right to make sure it is exactly at the center, and the plug would go in easily without any problems. As simple as that, we have set up our battery base to our Echo Dot. And now if you would hold the power button of the battery base, which is right in the front, for a few seconds, all the lights would turn on. That means we have successfully set up our battery base. If your lights didn't turn up, make sure to fully charge your battery base before trying to turn it on again. If all the 4 LED lights are turned on, that means your battery base is fully charged. To charge your battery base, which you have to do it pretty often, you would need to use your original power adapter and insert it to the back of the battery base. Then it will start charging. At the same time, you could use Echo Dot without needing to wait for it to fully charge. Alexa, are you connected to the internet?
Yes, looks like this device is connected to the internet at the moment.
This particular battery base is developed specifically for Echo Dot Generation 4. However, you could find a similar base for other generations as well. Battery capacity is 5200 milliamp hour, which means you can run Echo Dot for 6 hours below 100% volume, 7 hours below 50% volume, and 15 hours when you're on standby mode. In other words, you will need to charge battery at least once a day. DC output, as I said, it is 12 volts at 1.25 amps in order to match the power adapter's specifications. Bear in mind that the battery base voltage will fluctuate as the battery is consumed from its 100% full charge. It got an LED battery level indicator. The LED lights goes down as the battery capacity drops. When charging, the battery would become hotter, but it is normal at such a high voltage. Make sure you use the same power adapter as it is provided with your Echo Dot. The name of the company that makes this product is called GGMM, and you can find the Amazon links in the description of this video. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on Echo Dot in here, as well as to subscribe to support my channel. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.